Hi, I'm Thea Reed. I'm the president of UE Local 1186. I helped organize our campaign and negotiate our first contract.
Hello, fellow workers. My name is Mike Tomaloff, and I'm a member of UE 1186, and I'm privileged to be the steward for the Willy Street Co-op's off-site kitchen. The rewards of our unionization drive have been many: an end to isms in the workplace, a voice in the terms and conditions of our labor, fair and equitable pay, a new sense of unity amongst co-workers, holding management to reasonable health and safety protections, and moving closer to a co-op that lives up to its professed ideals of democracy, inclusion, and fairness.
Hi, David Droster, Chief Steward, UE 1186 here, from Willy Street Co-op, Madison, Wisconsin. Under our initial organizing efforts started in 2019, one of our major goals was to win higher wages, especially for our lowest earners, that had stagnated across the board for a number of years. I'm happy to report that under our first contract, we've been able to make major gains in these areas. We're currently gearing up for our next contract fight, and we intend to make similar gains. I'm very proud of our membership, our stewardship, and our officership for being able to mobilize, fight, and win under COVID. We won 6 months' worth of hazard pay during 2020, as well as extra protections around the pandemic and longer breaks, which still exist to this day. It is my pleasure to be here and my pleasure to be part of the national effort of the UE. Thank you, everyone. Solidarity.
A great benefit of organizing our union has been that the workers at our 5 locations are unified in our fight to make the co-op a great place to work.
My name is Sawyer Johnson, and I'm a member and a steward of UE 1186, the union for the Willy Street Co-op in Madison, Wisconsin. I'm proud to be a member of UE 1186 because we call ourselves a fighting union. If we can't win something through negotiation or the grievance process, then we're going to organize to win it. We organized to win this past spring when our fellow worker, Sydney, was fired unfairly due to management's administration mistakes that they refused to correct. Because management wasn't going to return Sydney even after we grieved, we knew we had to organize. Our membership placed phone calls, sent emails, signed and spread petitions, and after a couple weeks of struggle, we won. And not only that, but we won getting this worker 3 weeks of full back pay. I'm proud to say that when we struggle together as workers, we can win. Not only this, but during our first union contract negotiations, we got fair wages for our lowest paid workers, myself included, and we got fair bereavement pay for people who previously had not had that when their loved ones had passed. We also got sick time for part-time workers who never had sick time before. This is especially important because we work in a grocery store with the public, and now we can keep ourselves and them safe.
One of our union's greatest achievements, and just in time as our contract was ratified mere days before the COVID-related emergency measures were first instituted, has been our fellow workers' involvement and say in the policies and responses to the pandemic. Without the UE, my fellow workers and I would not have received the hazard pay, medically related job protections, sick time allowances, extended break times, all those things to the extent that we did. I know for a fact that the union helped reduce the spread of COVID at our co-op by fighting for our rights to be safe and healthy through those hard and sometimes scary times.
Thank you, UE sisters and brothers, for the amazing support we got organizing our union at Willy Street Co-op. It has been an awesome experience, and we look forward to contributing as UE continues to grow. Thank you. Solidarity.